All right, this problem says 8% of 60 is 1/5 of what number? So the first thing we have to do is we need to figure out what 8% of 60 is. When we see this word of here, we know that we're going to multiply. So to figure out what 8% of 60 is, we're going to take 8% and we need to turn it into a decimal. So 8% is 0.08 as a decimal, not 0.8. 0.8 is 80%. So this is kind of a common mistake that happens a lot. 0.8 is 80%. That was not going to help us at all here. So 0.8 is 80%, 0.08 is 8%. So we need to take that 0.08 and we need to multiply it because the word of tells us we're going to multiply by 60. So 0.08 times 60 is 4.8. So let's go back to the question. 8% of 60 is 1/5 of what number? So we need to look at our choices and we need to multiply all of them by 1/5. We need to look at letter A, 0.96. We need to multiply that by 1.5. Well, now we know, sorry, not 1.5, 1/5. So now we know that 1/5 of 0.96 is 0.192. So that is not the answer. You're going to keep going. 1/5 times 12 is 2.4. Not the answer. C, 1/5 times 24 is 4.8. Oh, 8% of 60 is also 4.8. So that is the answer. So to do this problem, let's recap. We know the answer is letter C, but let's recap how we got there. First, we have to find 8% of 60. You do 0.8 times 60 to get 4.8. Then you're going to look at all of your multiple choice answers, and every single answer you have to multiply by 1/5 because the question says 8% of 60 is 1/5 of what number? So we need to find 1/5 of every choice that we're given. Then you want to find the one that equals 4.8, and that gives you your answer.